Hello all my princess, welcome to my channel. Today I gonna show you the festival makeup look for Diwali. Before started the video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So let's get started. First I am using Kiss Beauty Makeup Primer. It helps minimize all open pores and gives a smooth finish makeup look. Now I am using brown kajal pencil for eyebrow. Blend it nicely with brush. For more defined look, I use black eyeshadow palette. It melts eyeshadow palette. I use LA Girl Pro concealer on upper eyebrow and lower eyebrow and eyelid also. Blend it nicely with beauty blender. I use Lakme Rose powder on eyelid area as a setting powder. When I apply eyeshadow, it gives a smooth finish look. Now I am using Telame eyeshadow palette. I use light pink shade on eyelid area. I use golden eyeshadow for highlighting brow bone. I use concealer on crease area as known as cut crease eye makeup. Use fuchsia pink on crease area. I use some glitter on crease area for more glowy look in festive season. Now I use Oriflame eyeliner. I applying it on wing style. Eye makeup is ready. Now I am using LA Girl Pro concealer on my face and blend it nicely. Now I use MAC Mineralize foundation. This is my favorite foundation. It gives me a smooth glowy finish look. It blended nicely with beauty blender. Now I am using Telame palette as a blusher. I contour my face with brown shade. Now I'm using Lakme rose powder all over my face and blend it nicely with brush. Now I use purple eyeshadow on my under eye area. Now I use Oriflame the One mascara on my upper eyelash and lower eyelash. It helps a thicker and longer eyebrow. I use earlobe and accessories highlighter. I apply it on cheekbone and nose area for glowy finish makeup look. Now I'm using LA18 Colourpop matte lipstick coat R31. Now I use setting powder on my lip for extra matte finish look. Finally completed the makeup with ADS makeup fixer. I hope you all are enjoying this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share all with your friends. Wish you a happy Diwali and safe Diwali to all my princess. Bye. Love you all.